This is Captain Math, and we're going to use the how many times unit to show the multiplication, and we're going to use repeat addition where we add the units. Captain Math, and today we're going to talk about how to add and multiply with my favorite units. Fractions. Some of you like, fractions? Ooh, that's hard. No, it's not. Fractions is very easy. And we use fractions in a lot of things, such as cooking, such as music. There's fractions used in music. And we always use fractions in measurements as well. Fractions is one of the most important units in all of math. And today we're going to learn how to add and multiply using fractions. And we're going to use our favorite tool, which is how many times the unit. Now, my favorite friend of all times, Mrs. Wiggles, she used this same tool in her kindergarten class. So I know if the kindergartners can get it, you can too. We're going to look at these examples here. I have 3 examples. All right, look at our first example. You see the formula at the top. How many times the unit? How many 1/6 do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So that's my how many. I have 3 1/6, don't I? So my multiplication would be 3 times 1/6, because that's my unit. Wasn't that easy? All right, let's look at the repeated addition for this problem. So we know we have 3 1/6, so all we got to do is add those 1/6 together. So if we add 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, that equals what? 3/6. Because remember, if the denominators are the same, we don't add the denominators, we only add the numerators. So 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 is 3/6. Let's look at our next example to add and multiply. In this example, the unit is what? 1/8, because each one of those is 1/8. Now the question is, how many of those 1/8 do I have? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means I have 6 1/8 units. So my multiplication would be what? 6 times 1/8, because I have 6 1/8. So now we got the multiplication. Let's figure out what the repeat addition would be. We know we have 1/8 and we have 6 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to add all those 1/8s together. Are you ready? Let's count by 1/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. So if we add all those 1/8s together, it will equal 6/8. Very good. And now I got one more example. Are you ready? I know you can do it. All right, here it is. Wow. Wow, look at this one. What is my unit now? My unit is 1/12. That's right. My units are 1/12. Now, how many of these 1/12 do I have? Well, let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 1/12. So what would be my multiplication? 9 times my unit, which is 1/12. Very good. Now, let's figure out the repeated addition for this problem. All right? What number is being repeated? The 1/12. How many times? 9 times. So let's count by 1/12 9 times. Ready? 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12. So when we add all these 1/12 together, it equals what? 9/12. Very good. Very good. Now do you understand how to add and multiply with fractions? It's real easy once you get the hang of it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode because fractions is a very important unit, and it's very important that we understand fractions just like we understand regular numbers. See you next time.